Hi everyone. Today we're announcing our new parts management module. Managing parts effectively is absolutely crucial to streamlining maintenance management. Let me jump straight into it and show you how it works. I'll open up a work order for replacement of oil filters and ask them to install the oil filter housing assembly. When the mechanic enters that request, the team or the person that is in charge of parts can see all the parts that have been requested, ordered, a scheduled delivery, or actually delivered. That's a centralized place to see everything to do with parts. So now that I received this request, I can place the order. I can tag a specific vendor, and all the information will pull up straight from the vendor. I can set up whether I want the vendor to deliver the parts to us, or maybe I will pick it up from the vendor. I'm saving, and this has been updated to ordered. When we're ready to schedule the delivery, I can notify one of my transport drivers. I can give them pickup instructions and so on. Let's assign this to Brian. Brian will use the Clue app to then go and pick it up. And now the delivery has been scheduled. To finish this process, when the item is delivered, whomever is in charge of the parts can mark it as delivered. The beauty of all of that is the mechanic that works on this work order, they don't need to chase anyone. They'll open the work order and they'll see right there and then that this item is delivered, and they can go complete the work order. Gratitude to all our customers who worked with us to tell us how they want to see the best parts management module. If you want to see a demo, reach out and have a great end to your season.